Welcome back. Today we got our Tovala meal, and we should have 10 meals in our box, and I'm excited to share them with you. So let's get to work. I ordered a few doubles because both my husband and I are going to eat the same dinners a few times and then switch them up for lunch too. So this one's for my husband. It's called the Coziest Beef Chili. Comes in a little box like this. Proteins are usually at the bottom, closer to the freezer packs. So something to know about the beef chili is there's 2 orders, so it's a ×2 on it. Then we have a smoky barbecue pork chop with roasted fingerling potatoes. Oh, yum. I don't know if I can share that one. Then we have chicken Parmesan. That's one of my favorites. And let's see. And then the rest, 5, 6, 7. Chicken parm. Chicken parm. You can tell there's a theme here. We like chicken parm. Chicken parm. So here are the 4 chickens. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4 meals. 5, 6, 7. We have 7 meals. So I'm gonna have to see if there's another box coming, and I'm gonna check my order to make sure I ordered 7. But I'm super excited, and I think we should get to cooking one right away. I just got off the chat with Tovala, and turns out my second box is coming tomorrow. So yay, I got half, and I'm totally fine with that because that makes it easier for me to store it in the fridge. And so there's a lot of packaging with these Tovala meals, so I'm going to show you how I package them so they fit better in my fridge. So for the chicken parmesans, I've already done 2 of them, but I also flatten out the cardboard as much as I can because it's going to go in the recycling. And so I take out the insides. Take the little card, kind of hold the little thingies together. I have a bunch of rubber bands that I use, and I reuse them. Come in handy all the time. So the meats, I'm okay with storing in my fridge near it because I know what goes together. The 2 coziest chili recipes. Oops. Ah, lost one. The pork chop. Fingerling potato. The last one. I'm super excited to already make these, but that's another video. This goes off to recycling, and we'll put this in the fridge. this is my fridge. Fun, huh? They nicely tuck away here. And I'm also expecting a hungry root delivery because we wanted to try out some new things. I can't wait to get that later today or tomorrow. I haven't checked the delivery schedule yet, but that's how I put away and store my Tovala meals.